folks. Hey, when it's time to replace light bulbs in your house, listen, get rid of the old style candlescent bulbs. Go get yourself some nice LEDs. They'll be a lot brighter and they'll save you some electricity, because a regular like 40-watt bulb uses so little energy, uses like a 4-watt bulb energy. All right, so it's brighter and it uses less power. It's one of the best things that they have made. And they do make, hey, different types of LEDs, okay? They got the soft yellow looking one. They got this bright one, which is daylight. And then they have the one in the middle, which is like a softer cushion one. Like this one here is 5000K light appearance. So when you go towards cool, it's brighter. When you go towards warm, it's more of a yellowish, old school style, like that one. All right, so I'm gonna put this LEDs in and we're gonna show you the difference of how bright this sucker is gonna be. Hang on. All right, let's light them up, people. There you go. They call this daylight. That's the brightest LEDs that they have. Uh-oh, looks like one is out. Darn it. But you get the idea. Don't tell me I gotta run this back to Lowe's. All right. Like I said, it's gonna look great when it's brighter. There you go. All done. There was a bad contact in there. Wasn't the bulb, so I was blaming the bulb. But it's not the bulb. All right. It's good to go. Let's put the cover on now. There you go. All covered up. All 3 lights are working. Much brighter. All right. Thanks for watching.